Shuangliang Eco Energy Systems Company Limited is a pioneer professional enterprise which is specialized and committed to the R&D and manufacturing of the energy-saving and carbon emission reduction equipments in China. During 30 years of development, Shuangliang set up its own Class A Design Institute for the power industry and established long-term strategic cooperation relationships with Tsinghua University, its research institute in Shenzhen, and several other first-class academic universities, offering full series of engineering services to turnkey projects for power industry worldwide as technology solutions, engineering design, equipment purchase, construction, installation, and system commissioning, as well as a whole set of EMC services as project investment, construction, operation, and management, etc. In the field of gas turbine power generation, Shuangliang has researched and developed independently the gas turbine air inlet cooling technology for the Middle East and tropic areas. Enhances the generation output enormously. Gas turbine power generation technology is a relatively high-efficient and environmentally friendly generation technology among thermal generation technologies. Its working process is that the compressor inhales air from the atmosphere and compresses the air continuously. Then, the compressed air enters into the combustion chamber, mixes with the sprayed fuel, and burns together into high-temperature gas, which flows into the gas turbine and expands to do work, pushing the blades of the gas turbine to rotate together with the blades of the compressor and simultaneously driving the generator to generate power. Working characteristics of the gas turbine. The air inlet temperature has a great impact on the generation efficiency. Namely, the lower the inlet temperature is, the larger the inlet mass flow is, and the higher the generation output is. Contrarily, the generation output decreases as the environment temperature increases. Therefore, the designed work condition of the gas turbine power generation is 15 degrees centigrade for the air inlet temperature, under which the generators achieve higher output. But in the Middle East and tropic areas, generally the ambient temperature reaches 50 degrees centigrade. At such an ambient temperature, the output efficiency of the gas turbine is just about 79% of that under its standard work condition at 15 degrees centigrade, resulting in dramatically decreasing of the generation output. Shuangliang flue gas absorption cooling technology completely conquers the drawbacks. The technology utilizes the waste heat of the high-temperature flue gas produced by the single-cycle gas turbine as power, taking the absorption chillers as the main equipment, the air coolers as the main cooling equipment, the electrical chillers as the auxiliary equipment, with a whole set of advanced Shuangliang technology as the support. To reduce the air inlet temperature to 15 degrees centigrade, thus 100% generation output can be achieved accordingly. The generation output can be enormously improved. Shuangliang air inlet cooling systems technology is the best solution for gas turbine inlet cooling systems. Such a cooling system has outstanding features as high safety and reliability, low operation cost for cooling by using the waste heat, and fast investment recovery. A short project construction period without affecting routine power generation. At present, the system has already been put into operation in China, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and several other countries and areas worldwide. Generally, the average generation output can be improved more than 20%. Typical cases: 4 sets of MS-7001 EA gas turbines of single cycle in Saudi Arabia. The inlet air temperature of the gas turbine is reduced from 50 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade. The increased annual generation output is 153 million kilowatt hours. 2 sets of 54 megawatts gas turbines of combined cycle at Guangdong Tianming Power Plant, China. After adopting the air inlet cooling system, the inlet air temperature of the gas turbines is reduced from 30 degrees centigrade to 18 degrees centigrade. The increased annual online power output is 15 million kilowatt hours. The saved annual fuel is 1,100 tons.